Hello guys, we are in the TD1. We can intercept an EF5 tornado with this. No, this is Vertex vehicle. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I'm just intercept. I'm owner of this car. I don't know what this name was. I bought this from Ebet Interceptor car shop. Okay. I will check my phone. There's a warning. Oh, there's a warning. Let's see here. There's a EF5 tornado is coming. Please hide now. There's a storm chaser car. You can survive an EF5 tornado. Bye. Oh, there's a tornado coming. I will go to my car. Hello guys, I'm in the car. We can intercept a tornado. Wait guys, there's a tornado coming. I just deployed now. And guys, there's a tornado coming. Wait. Let's pass. Wait guys. I will wait here. Wait guys, 240 kilometers per hour. I will survive. Wait guys, I just deployed. Wait, debris, my window, I cannot see. Debris. Oh, I cannot see. That's okay guys. I'm in the car. Wait, it's going down. It's now in the I will get out of my car and I will undeployed now. Where I'm deployed. Wait guys, I will go to my outside. Wait, hello guys, outside in the car. We just intercepted an EF5. It's 214 kilometers per hour. Guys, I will get my phone already. Hello guys. I just put my car in the garage, guys. Check my phone is another tornado. There's no tornado. There's a warning. Hey, hello. There's no more tornado, but there's another interceptor here. She not finishing the interceptor, but one day she's finishing. Okay, bye. Okay, I will visit her. Are you another interceptor? Are you another in storm chaser? Yes. One day I will finish that interceptor I got. Okay. Let's see your in. She was in my garage. Okay. Look at my interceptor. I don't finish. I don't fix my interceptor yet. She's a big fix. Okay. Coming at part 2.